Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review a Wi-Fi camera, pretty small one. I received this one for review. It has HD quality, it has two-way intercom, so basically you can have a dialogue. It has a night vision and motion detector. Pretty small box, I would say. Press and hold off for about 3 seconds and so on. So it's a mini camera. It supports Wi-Fi as well. Let's open the box. So we have got a user manual here. Oh, it's a pretty big user manual. It's in English and yeah, it's just in English. It has different components, the camera. There's an app for it called IWF Cam. And different for initial use, please charge the product. This is the app probably, yeah, and this is the setting and how to connect to it. So looking at the camera itself, we have a USB-A to USB-C cable. There is a holder to hold the camera, really nice design I would say. And this is the camera itself, very small camera, I would say, really small. So it has a TF card input and also USB-C, and this is the mode and off, and that's it. So I just read somewhere to how to turn it on. Switch on, long press off button for 3 seconds. So I turn this on for 3 seconds. Well, actually I see a kind of light in here, a red light. Then it becomes blue. So this needs a connection. So you also see it has infrared lights as well for the night vision. And need to be connected to the app, and then we could actually see the live video stream of this camera. I'm very curious to how big is the battery. Let me see if I can find some info about that one. That should be written on the box somewhere. It has 5 volt 1 amp. No information about the battery. Perhaps around here. Also not. I don't see any information about the battery, but fine. Seems like the app is really a nice app. Need a detailed review on the app as well. But in terms of the holder, so I assume the camera can be, I see some holes in here, so I assume this is how it would be connected basically. If you press it down, there we go, look like this. It could get a little bit of tilt, or basically can move around and can be fixed. So just like a normal camera stand, it could be fixed to the location, and this one would fix the positioning of it. Well, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed. If so, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments, and see you in the next video. Until then, take care, thank you, and bye bye.